I found the fastest way to become profitable in 2023 trading Forex. If you're a complete beginner, you should watch this video all the way to the end because I'll be revealing my ultimate trading strategy. And this way, you'll be able to apply all of these ingredients that you see on the screen right here. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ghislaine, and in this channel, we share trading tips. Okay, so the first tip, or the first text you see on the screen here is trading is not a get rich quick scheme, guys. The truth about Forex is that Forex does not, guarantee you wealth. All right. So if you're getting into trading with the idea that you're going to flip your account overnight, buy Lambos tomorrow, I'm sorry, this is not the path for you. This is not the career for you. Okay. You should probably look for something else. Okay. Or go to the casino and gamble, because trading is a skill. Trading is an activity that requires training. Okay. You need to invest your time, money, and patience into this particular career if you want to take this seriously. You do not take Forex part-time. The reason why you do not take Forex part-time is because it is going to take every single dime you have. So put your time and money in this thing. Learn it, get the right information, the right knowledge, study, invest time. Forget about making money now, okay? Just say that you're trying to master these skills. Once you have those qualifications, then you can come on here, all right? So if you want me to talk about the qualifications, then you should leave me a comment down below. I'll make a video explaining these qualifications from A to Z. So let's go to the next point of this video, which is greed. Greed is a very, 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 very important factor that traders fail to take into consideration. If you're trading for the very first time, let's say your first week, first year of trading, or your first month of trading, it is always going to be very hard for you to overcome this particular problem. Greed. You get in a trade right now. Let's say you get in a sell position right now. You're selling, right? And your target is maybe the last swing low. And you see the market forming, some kind of chart pattern, which is a reversal pattern. You might see this happening, and you know pretty well that if this market breaks this high here, it might come back here to retest and go up, and you're in a sell here. So greed might not allow you to close this trade, and you might hold this trade and get stopped out. And also, greed also comes in the sense where you like take a sell. Let's say you take a sell here, then you see that the market is maybe forming a higher high, which in a normal scenario, in a normal bearish scenario, the market forms higher highs and lower highs and lower lows, right? So if the market is coming here to form a lower high, because of greed, you're scared to lose everything. You close the position right here once it reaches this level here. Meanwhile, the market was just relaxing in order to flex, continue its way down. So greed is something that is really hard to contain, but you should have a set target. Meaning, if you're entering a trade here, you should know that okay, you're leaving at this particular point, and you should not tamper with that position. Leave it there. Once you've opened it, leave it there and go away. Okay. So second here, the third here is impatience. Your ability to wait is going to be very, very decisive. All right. You have to understand that these markets do not do what you want. You do what the market tells you to do. So if this market here, if your setup is not formed, do not take trades that do not meet up with your criteria for a good setup. Okay. If your setup is not there, leave it. Do not open like 50 positions in a day because you're looking for a trade. Stop. Wait for your setup to form. If that setup is invalidated, forget about it. Leave the screen or check another pair or do something else. Don't force trade every day, please. This will mess you up, especially for the beginners. Most of you intermediate traders already understand this part. But if you're getting started and you're watching this video, you need to understand that you do not force trades on the market. If you have a particular setup, a particular chart pattern that you're waiting for to form, wait until you see that pattern form perfectly. If there's anything wrong with it, do not take. If you take it, you're impatient. And if you're impatient, you might fail. And let's go now to the last point of this video, which is me revealing my trading strategy to you all. I'm trying to rush this video to make it very short because when I make longer videos, you guys do not watch it, and it hurts me because I put in a lot of time into these videos. So right now, I want you guys to understand that I'm going to be like I said, I'm going to be showing you my trading strategy right now, which is order blocks. All right, we're going to be trading market structure. So first of all, if you're trading smart money concepts, you need to understand that smart money concept goes a long way and has a lot of concept. It has a lot of sub topics under that you need to cover. And I have a few videos on that, but I've not really made too many videos. I'm new on YouTube here, guys. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, please do consider subscribing. It really goes a long way to support me and it motivates me a lot to drop more videos like this. Okay, so here we have what? We have lower highs and we have lower lows, right? We have a high, we have a higher high, a lower low here, the broke structure, putting us in a downtrend, okay? Then we have a low, which also broke the structure here. Then we have a lower high. You can see here, these are the external highs here, the swing points. We have a swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, all right? And this is all internal structure. So now you can identify this market as a bearish market. If you look at this market with your naked eye, nobody has to tell you this. This is a bearish market because we have lows breaking down simultaneously, okay? So right now, what I want to do is I'm waiting for a break of structure. That's my step one. Step one, I wait for a break of structure. Let me put the steps on the screen here so you guys can follow along. Okay, so step one, I wait for what? Wait for a break. Let me just put there boss, a break of structure. Boss stands for break of structure. Wait for a break of structure, okay, on your time frame, whatever time frame you're using. I am on the 5-minute time frame. I like intraday trading, okay. Then step two, okay. Step two, you're going to wait for what? You're going to identify, you're going to identify your order block. Identify your order block, OB. Then step three is to validate your order block. And what I mean by validate your order block is, does your order block has fair value gap? Does your order block has imbalance line below it? Is there imbalance line below your order block? So we're going to see all of that in this video. Validate, sorry, what is that? Validate your OB, okay? My keyboard is really messing me up sometimes, guys. Validate your OB. Okay, all right. So if we have a break of structure, we've identified our order block. I'm going to give you the criteria and the rules for the order block in this video. So do not worry, I'm going to explain everything in this video as brief and clean as I can, okay? So be patient, don't rush. Step two, we identify your order block following the rules that I'm going to give you. Step three now is to validate that order block. So that order block might be an order block, but it might be invalid. So if your order block is valid, you should, I will show you all of that. Then step four, I think step four is what is taking a trade. That's it, literally it. That's just 3 rules. Step four is taking a trade. So step four, take a trade. I don't need to write that. So you get it, right? Let's put it here. Okay, now let's play price and see what price does. Okay, let me just pause it. Oh gosh, this is too fast, guys. Let me just go back. I just saw something there before I could say a word. You already played past it. Okay, let me reduce the speed of this replay button so you can play slower. Okay, you can see right here that we have what? We have a break of structure down here. If you can identify this as a break of structure, that is good. This is a break of structure, and now this is our new high. The reason why this is our new high is because why? This high, sorry, this high here, this is the ultimate high. You can see that this high here produced a move, right? This move. And now this move did not break structure up or down. So this remains our high. This high will only change if this low has been taken out, which happened here, all right? We had a break of structure to the downside produced by this high. So now this is our new high. All right, your high is valid if the high has taken out previous structure. If it has not taken out previous structure, it is not a valid high. All right, same with the low. So right now, I'll label this as my break of structure to the downside. Remember, if the market is breaking structure, if the market is in a downtrend and it breaks structure to the downside, it is a break of structure. But if it is in a downtrend and it breaks structure to the upside, it is a change of character, meaning the market is shifting its momentum is shifting its structure from bearish to bullish. So right now, we are still continuing bearish. So right now, this is a break of structure. What I want you to do is what? We'll go to step 2, identify your order block. Your order block is the last candle, the last buy to sell candle before the break of structure. This is the last opposite candle that we have here. This bullish candle here is my order block. Okay, this is my order block, and I'm going to tell you why. This is my order block because this candle here has imbalance below it. All right, this candle also was engulfed by the candle that broke structure, meaning your order block, the next candle before your order block or the next candle after your order block should engulf your order block, meaning you should not have a candle like where can I see an example? You should not have your bullish candle. This black candle here should not be smaller than this, your order block. Your order block should be smaller than the next candle. You know what I mean, right? Engulf. That means this candle here should engulf that one. It should be bigger than your order block. That way, you're going to have imbalance line below it. Imbalance is this gap here. Okay? Imbalance is a 3 candlestick pattern, really, because we have candle A, candle B, and candle C. Meaning your order block is candle A, candle B is this long candle you see here, and candle C is the next candle that comes out here. So that space that candle C and candle A leave on this candle is referred to as fair value gap. If you do not understand this, watch my last video. I explained it very well. You understand that video perfectly, okay? I have videos here. Watch them. Feel free. It's free of charge. So, yeah, this is my order block, and I have what? Step 3 is to validate my order block, which is to what? Is to check. Does your order block have fair value gap? Yes. Is your order block engulfed? Yes. So this order block here to me is valid. So what I'll do here on a typical day is I'll have a sell limit, not execution. I'll have a sell limit sitting there and my stop loss just at this high here. Then I'll be looking to take what? I'll be looking to take 1:3, at least 1:3. That's the minimum. You can do 1:2, 1:2 is still good, but I like to take 1:3 because trading smart money concept gives you a lot of, risk to reward. Like it gives you a lot of reward. Like you take a trade here with this trading strategy, you can take even 1 to 20, meaning you can put 1% of your account and make 20% on a single trade. This strategy is amazing. So you just need to, but I don't really hold trades that long. Like I told you, I like trading fast. So let's play this thing. Let me not talk too much. Let's see. Oh, go. Just pause it right there. You see right there, we already have a tap. You see this week already entered our order block. All right, activating this market, this sell order here. And now we are running in this trade. So hopefully we hit TP, which I'm sure we would. Okay, yeah, we did. And that was pretty fast. The reason why this was really fast is because that was the order block. If that was not an order block, you see it do something like this with tiny, tiny candles, which is not really an order block. An order block delivers momentum. Like when the market picks up those orders right there, there's a lot of volume that pushes the market further. So when you see this, it's good. So we already have 3R right there. All right, that is exactly what I do to trade. So let's keep playing price and see if we can spot other opportunities that we can, build an idea of trading around it. Right. So first of all, you can see, guys, that we already have another block here. Though I've not really seen a break of structure yet, so it is not valid until I see what a break of structure. So let's wait. And let me also tell you something. You see, as this market was dropping here, if this market filled in this imbalance here, all right, my order block will be deactivated, meaning it will be invalid. But now that the market has broken structure, I can now confirm that this is another block. So if the market comes here, I'll have my sell limit waiting patiently for the market. Guys, please don't be impatient. All right, don't be impatient. Don't just trade because you think the market is reversing here or suddenly. No, you should have a plan. If you're entering here, enter there. No matter what happens, stand your grounds. Always stand your grounds. So let me show you something now. You see this gap? All right. Look at this black candle here. Let me just do this. You see this black candle, this last buy to sell, this last is it buy to sell? No, sell to buy. Yeah, this last sell to buy candle, this last opposite candle here, our order block itself, right? You can see that the wick, yeah, the high of our order block is here. Then the low of candle C, which is this other black candle here that drew down a bit. You see that there's space in between, right? There's space on this candle here that those wicks did not touch each other. So when that space is there, it's referred to as imbalance or fair value gap, whatever you want to call it. So there is my fair value gap. I'll just label that fair value gap. And I'll come over here. I'll label this guy order block. Oh, sorry, I've labeled that thing the same. Okay. I like to make sure I get it right. Okay, let's do it. Okay, good. Now, order block, fair value gap, right? So what are we going to do now? We're going to have our sell limit, sorry, buy limit here. In this case, we're buying. And guys, remember, this is a change of character, all right? Our high has been taken out, meaning because we were bearish, now it has broken highs to the upside. So it has changed character. So now we are bullish, all right? So when this high has been taken out, that's a confirmation that we are bullish. So we just have to start looking for buys. So I'll just have my sell limit sitting here. I'll just have it sitting here. In case the market pulls back in, I'll be tapped in this trade. And I'll be taking a nice 1 to 3. Or I can look for these swing highs, or maybe this one up here. But I'll just go for 1 to 3. I just like having a, I like having a plan, having an idea of exactly what I picture my trades to look like, to be like. I don't want to, just be in a trade hoping that it reaches that high. No. Though most of the times it does. Most of the times it does reach those highs. So we just gotta, it's just how I prefer to trade. I like to get in, get out. That's just it. And this style of trading does not like guarantee you take 1,000 trades a day. Trading like this, I take like 1 trade a day. Setups like this are rare. So don't think I'm trading too much. Okay, the market is slowly approaching. At this point, if you're trading live, you're going to be tense because you don't even know if that level is going to hold. Okay, guys, wait, let me just check this out. I'll push this way because this is exactly where I was triggered in this trade. So now I'm in this trade running, right? If this market spikes down and stops me out, I'm out. Okay, so if I'm out, I don't have a setup. I'll go to bed. I will not come on here and fall straight because I've lost money. I want to gain it back. No, don't do that. This is a business. Some days you make profit, some days you don't. It doesn't mean you close up your shop. You just keep doing your thing. Okay. So you see here the market is consolidating a bit. I pray we don't get stopped out. Wow. You see that? That's called momentum. You see that right there? It's called momentum. This was fantastic. This show was really fast, really quick and nice. Easy. Let's just play price and see where that goes. So guys, this is exactly how I trade. All right. You can see the market even continue further. I told you these highs here were going to be taken out. It must. It will. So it depends. If you want to like take majority of your positions here and just leave one to run, it is still a good idea. Just break even and keep the thing running overnight. Nothing. You have nothing to lose. You've taken your money already. That's one good thing about this strategy. If you enjoyed this video with me, because I really did enjoy talking to you guys, please do consider subscribing, support my channel. It motivates me to keep going. I'm new to YouTube. As you can see, my channel is brand new. Subscribe. I have a Telegram channel. Okay, I have a public Telegram channel for everybody. You can join there. I post stuff. I post setups. I post videos. I post motivation. I post some stuff. I do post in that group, so you can join that Telegram channel. It's free of charge. The link is down below. If you look to work with me one-on-one or join my crew, because I have a team of members that have subscribed to my monthly plan, and what we do is I give them 100% of my setups. We go Zoom calls every week and they ask me their personal questions and I answer them and give them directives exactly how to go about their trading. And it really helps a lot. And so this is the second month we're going in. If you want to join, the link is down below. You can message me right there on Telegram. Then I'll add you up. It's $50 a month. Okay, so and I will not message you first. So anybody messages you in the name of Forex Hybrid, please just ignore it. I don't message you first. You message me. All right, let's go.